Imagine you've mastered the art of ethical hacking, scanning systems, finding vulnerabilities, and understanding how attackers think. But here's the twist. What if you crossed a line you didn't even know existed? In this lesson, you'll learn not just how to hack, but how to do it responsibly, legally, and professionally. You'll explore the laws that protect and punish, understand the ethical spectrum of hackers, discover platforms where legal hacking earns you rewards, and find the best certifications to shape your cybersecurity career. This is about becoming not just skilled, but trusted. First up, laws. In India, hacking is governed by the IT Act 2000, amended in 2008. A few key sections. Section 43 and 66. Unauthorized access, damaging computer systems, or stealing data. Even if you just peek into a system without permission, it's illegal. Section 66F. Cyber terrorism. This is a very serious crime with jail terms up to 10 years, sometimes more. Punishments range from 3 to 10 years in jail plus heavy fines. Now globally. In the USA, there's the Computer Fraud and Abuse Act. In the UK, the Computer Misuse Act. In Europe, laws like GDPR regulate how personal data is handled. And internationally, organizations like Interpol help fight cybercrime across borders. White-right pointing back hand index golden rule. If you don't have permission, it's illegal, whether you're in India or anywhere else. Now let's talk about hacker types. White hat hackers. These are ethical hackers. They only hack with permission, usually to protect organizations. Their intent is defensive. This is legal. Black hat hackers. These are cyber criminals. They hack with malicious intent to steal, damage, or disrupt. Completely illegal. Grey hat hackers. Somewhere in between. They might hack without permission but not cause harm. For example, finding a bug on a website and reporting it, but without being asked. So, if you want to build a career, stay in the white hat lane. What if you slip into black or grey hat territory? You risk jail time and fines. You could end up with a criminal record, making it nearly impossible to work in cybersecurity again. And your reputation, which is everything in this field, can be destroyed. Here's an example. Even something as simple as scanning a live website without permission can land you in legal trouble. That's why we always practice on lab setups, capture the flag challenges, or official bug bounty platforms. Safe, legal, and ethical. So, how do you hack legally and get rewarded? That's where bug bounty platforms come in. These platforms allow companies to invite ethical hackers to find vulnerabilities in exchange for rewards. Some of the top platforms are Hacker2, Bugcrowd, Synack, Yes We Hack. Big companies like Google, Meta, and Paytm even run their own bounty programs. Here's how it works. You sign up, choose a program, and read the rules. You test only the systems the company allows. If you find a bug, you write a responsible disclosure report. If valid, you get paid. White-right pointing back hand index. This is the safest way to practice real hacking skills and get recognized by top companies. Now, let's talk about careers and certifications. If you want to stand out in cybersecurity, certifications matter. They prove your skills to employers. Here are the top ones. CEH, Certified Ethical Hacker. Great for beginners. It gives you the foundation of hacking techniques. CompTIA Security Plus. Covers broad security knowledge. Good starting point. EJPT, a Junior Penetration Tester. Hands-on, practical pentesting for beginners. OSCP, Offensive Security Certified Professional. This is the gold standard for penetration testers. Highly practical, simulates real-world attacks. Intermediate to advanced. SysApp, for senior roles, more about security architecture and management. Most of these require hands-on practice in labs like Kali Linux and Metasploitable, solid report writing skills, and of course, a strict understanding of legal compliance. If you're just starting out, I recommend CEH or EJPT as your first step. Let's quickly recap today's key points. Hacking without permission is always illegal. Ethical hackers are white hats. They protect, not destroy. Bug bounty platforms give you safe, legal ways to test real systems and even earn money. Certifications like CEH, EJPT, and OSCP can take your career to the next level. Mini task for you. Go online and check out Hacker2 or Bugcrowd. Look at a real bounty program. Then, choose a certification you'd like to pursue and write down why it fits your career goals. To wrap up, being an ethical hacker isn't just about technical skills. It's about responsibility, legality, and integrity. Always remember, with great power comes great responsibility. In our next lesson, we'll look at practical career roadmaps and how to start building your first ethical hacking portfolio. See you there.